The Union government yesterday notified the appointment of 3 judges in High Court of Madras and Manipur, including a judicial officer who would become the first woman from a scheduled tribe to become a judge in the Manipur High Court. The 2 other names cleared by the centre are from scheduled caste and other backward classes OBC communities, potentially boosting the social diversity and representation of marginalized sections in the higher judiciary. Former judicial officer Golmai Gaipul Siliu Kabui has been appointed as the judge of the High Court of Manipur. The notification for the appointment of Golmai Gaipul Siliu Kabui for appointment as judge of the Manipur High Court was pending since January 10. Golmai Gaipul Siliu Kabui retired as Registrar General High Court of Manipur. 2 advocates N. Senthil Kumar and G. Arul Murugan were appointed as judges in the Madras High Court. The Supreme Court Collegium, comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices Sanjay Kishan Kaul and Sanjeev Khanna, had recommended their names in July. According to data presented by the government in Lok Sabha in March, out of 575 High Court judges appointed since 2018, 67 belong to the OBC category, 17 to the SC category, 9 to the ST category and 18 to minority communities.